Hello and welcome to That's Sweet. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to use a custom font in an advanced PDF template in NetSuite. Whether your company has a brand-specific font base or you just want to use a font other than what is supported out of the box, it's easy to embed any font of your choosing into an advanced PDF template. So I have my starting PDF template here just so we can see what it looks like to begin with. Next, I'm going to upload a font to the file cabinet. So I've already done that, and you'll notice that I have the available without login checkbox checked. This will ensure that it displays correctly when I generate my PDF. Once your upload is complete, copy the URL listed here, as you'll need this in the next step. Following the upload, you will open your advanced PDF template. So I've already opened mine here. If you are not in the source code view, you will want to switch to the source code view so that you can make the necessary changes. Now I'm going to add a link to the font file immediately below the head tag. So the format for this looks like this: link name equals, and this name entered here is going to be how you refer to this font in your CSS code. So I'm going to just call this That's Sweet. Type, which is font. The subtype, which in my case is truetype, but validate the type of font that you're using. And then finally, the source, which I'm just going to put URL as a placeholder for now. We'll come back to this. And I will also include this code snippet in the description below so that you can copy and paste it into your PDF template. So in this URL, I'm going to paste the external URL that I copied earlier. Since this URL contains the ampersand character, I'm going to have to replace each instance of it with the HTML code for ampersand to make sure that it loads properly. So that code is, you can see here I have an ampersand, and that code begins with the ampersand followed by AMP semicolon. So I'm going to find each instance of the ampersand and replace the code with the HTML code. Okay, so I've replaced 3 and that looks correct. Now that I've gotten my tag entered correctly, I'm going to actually replace the default font face of Noto Sans with the custom font that I just imported. So let me go ahead and right here where the font family is listed as Noto Sans, I'm going to replace that with my tag for That's Sweet. And then I'm going to save and edit. Selecting the save and edit option allows you to make any changes on the fly after you've done your initial testing. So I'm going to jump back over to the invoice. I'm going to click print. And now you can see my custom font is used throughout. So you can use this same approach to embed more than one font file if needed. So if you have multiple fonts that contribute to your branding, you can support those using this same approach, just embedding each one with its unique URL, giving it a unique name, replacing all of the ampersands in the URL, and updating the name in the CSS to align with the label that you've entered for your link. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I will be back again next week with another video to help you live that sweet life.